And members of Jamaica's men's rugby sevens team who retained silver at the ongoing CAC Games returned on Wednesday alongside their female counterparts who just missed out on a medal. Denise Walters reports.
Despite finishing second, members of the local contingent of the Reggae Crocs squad are of the view that they could have gotten the gold medal if they had the resources to better prepare themselves for the tournament.
We knew we intended to medal with the team that we have, but it's due to certain resources and lack of training really why we couldn't get the gold.
I think the sponsorship has a lot to do with it, to be honest. The players locally need more help towards funding, training, everything to help prep us the right way.
My previous teammate has said the funding has a lot to do with it, seeing that the local-based players don't really get the support to do the training and such.
However, after going down 28-7 to Colombia in the final on Tuesday, the Crocs remain grateful for their medal as they now turn their attention to Olympic qualifiers.
The team did the best they could, and I think this is just the end result. The last CAC, we also grabbed the silver, so at least we didn't go lower than the previous ones.
Seeing that it's my first CAC Games, I only see growth from here. So I hope I can improve on my next tournament and come out with a goal the next time.
I'm very thankful. We could have been better, you understand, but I'm very grateful with the team.
Going back into the training board, try to get more of the overseas-based players in our system to have more of a gel going into the next tournament because you know we have Olympic qualifiers.
Meanwhile, the Lady Crocs, who just missed out on a bronze medal after they were beaten 10-5 by Venezuela in the semi-finals, also returned home.
The last CAC Games that we went in Colombia, we finished 5th, and this time around we finished 4th. So hopefully the next time, we will actually medal.
The experience was really good. This is my first CAC Games. So we expected to win, but it wasn't in our favor. We just need to go back there next time stronger and more, determined and confident, and we'll definitely get it next time.
Denise Walters for TVJ Sports.